Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to set up your VS Code in order to run Nextjs version 14 for the first time. In order to do that, I have opened my VS Code, and here I'm going to create a folder in my application list. Okay, in order to do that, I go to Files, I go to Open Folder, and from my folders, I go to my application directory, which is VS Code, and here I'm creating a new directory. And we have to call that, we're gonna give a name Nextjs, first up like this. Okay, we're selecting, we open the folder, okay. But before we run Nextjs version 14, we have in mind that the minimum version of Node.js must be 18.17, which we have to control it through our command prompt window. In order to do that, we're opening our terminal window, and here we are typing Node version, which is version 18.16. Now we have to upgrade it to 18.17. Let's do that. I go to the website named nodejs.org, and we have to install the recommended for the most users version, which is 20.9 LTS. We're clicking this. We have to accept every terminal. And we're installing it. We're waiting the installation to complete, removing every shortcut from the previous installation, obviously. And I will be right back after the installation complete. Okay, the installation have completed successfully, and we say finish. We've done with the website, we're closing it, and let's check once again what is the version of our Node.js. It's 20.9, which we are good to go. I'm cleaning my terminal window, and in order to create this application of Nextjs 14 version, we have to type the following command: npx create next app at latest, and here we have to use the name of the project. If we're not in the specific directory, which we are currently, we have to type the name of the project, but since we are in our current directory of our new project, I'm gonna say that, which is the present directory. I'm gonna install and press enter. I'm waiting the installation to begin. Create next app version 14. We say yes. Okay, to proceed. Would you like to use TypeScript? If you say no, you will not be able to use TypeScript, but since we say yes, we're gonna use TypeScript. I'm gonna say no, I don't want to use TypeScript. I'm gonna choose no. Would you like to use ESLint? Yes, I'm gonna click yes. Tailwind CSS, yes, I want it. CRS directory, source directory, I'm gonna say no. App router, yes. Import alias, yes or no, excuse me. And I have answered all the questions that my application asked me at the beginning, and then now waiting the installation to complete. We'll be right back after the installation complete. All right, our installation have completed successfully, and in order to run our first Nextjs version 14 application, we have to write npm run dev. Okay, and then we press enter and waiting the application to start. Ready in 4 seconds. Anything else to write? No? Okay, I'm opening my localhost port 3000, which is listening to my application. I press Control and click the mouse and see what is happening with the application. Okay, everything fine. As you can see, it is redirecting to Nextjs website for the documentation, instructions, everything, etc. Deploy templates, everything that you desire. So the installation of Next.js version 14 was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next one, be safe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.